Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, the craziness continues, and after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made on this one. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Yes, they still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what played out today on several occasions. So this level right there was support at right around 24.50. And you can see multiple times the price, whenever it got right up around that area, could just never get any more momentum to get any sort of true movement back to the upside. So that is definitely going to be one of those levels that going forward, especially breakout players are going to be watching 24.50-ish. If the price can break above there, then, no such thing as a guarantee, but wouldn't it be shocking to see the price potentially make a good solid run up to the $28, maybe even get up to the $30 range? But before any of that occurs, the price first needs to at least work its way back up to that area. And then again, the key dynamic there would be a high volume break of 24.55. But moral of the story, the key technical level that a whole lot of people will be watching on Friday, 24.50-ish. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, a level that a whole lot of people will be watching, myself included, right down here at $20. Now, when the price did actually break down through 20, it did shoot down below there, but that didn't last very long. And then that's actually where the big old bounce right there happened. But $20 remains a very important level of support. And again, these are not great discoveries on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching them too. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching these same levels and wondering these same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It's definitely going to produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have going into Friday with these couple levels. So I know I'll be watching them along with lots of other traders, so let's see how this all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.